So over here you can see that I have a form, and let's say what I want to do is now I want to send this form via email so that others can fill out the form. So to do that, you need to go around onto the top right where you see the send button. You need to click on this, and once you click over here, you can see that by default send via email is selected out. So this option should be selected, and over here on the top you also have an option to collect out email addresses if you wish to. So over here, what you need to do is you need to go around and type in the email of the person that you wish to send the form to. So I'm just going to go around over here, and I'm going to go around and type in TutorTube right here, TutorTube channel 2 right here. So I'm just going to go around and add this email address, and it says subject example form right here. So I'm just going to go around and say, please fill out the form. So I'm just going to type that in right there, and I'm going to say please fill out the form and for sample purposes. So I can type in the message I want to I can type in the message that I want to include in the email as well, and I can include the form in the email as well. So I'm just going to go around and hit the send button, and what happens is that the email will be sent to the other person and they will receive out the email just like this. So it says please fill out the form right here. So if I were to click, you can see that the form is here. So it is included in the email itself. So now they will be able to select the form right here just like this, as you can see, and then hit submit just like this, and it says it'll be submitting the form. So here now what happens is that it redirects it out onto the other page right here. So it says email is required. So let me just go around and type in my email address right here to just like this and hit submit, and what happens is that the form data will be submitted and the response will be collected over here, as you can see. And that is how you can email out forms so that other people will be able to access the form through their email and fill out the data, and they can send it to you. So that is it. Hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.